My business is Realms Bath and Body Line. These are handmade lotions and soaps. That's what I started with, 15 or so years ago, that I make in very small batches. This festival I've done for many years. I love it. It's a very cool community of artists and crafters. They're really supportive of each other, and I have made many long and lasting friendships from this show and others around the region. The Allied Arts organization is incredible. It's very well organized. It's very supportive of local arts. This year's location is absolutely amazing. I'm really happy to be back downtown. Come on down. We're open all the way through Christmas Eve, so there's plenty of time to shop for that special gift or stocking stuffers.